Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2017 Lamborghini Aventador LP 750-4 SV Edition Roadster. Equipped with a 6.5-liter, 750 horsepower V12 engine and a 7-speed ISR transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful Grigio Titans exterior color and Nero Cosmus Alcantara interior with red contrast stitching throughout. This Aventador SV is still in like new condition and comes well optioned, including navigation, rear camera, carbon fiber removable roof panels, SV Ad Personam interior, branding package, Lamborghini Sound, multifunction steering wheel with perforated leather and Alcantara, Dianthus 20 and 21 inch black painted forged wheels, red calipers, red suspension springs, X-frame and T-engine cover in carbon fiber, and much more.